When you browse YouTube, you may see there are many voiceover videos with huge view counts like this. All of these channels are making about $5,000 per month. Now, with the power of AI, you can build a channel like those in a few months with a few clicks. No need to write scripts, no need for any storytelling skills, and no need for any video editing skills. The only thing to do is type what you want as a simple prompt and click generate. The AI will do all the homework for you and create awesome videos in a moment, like this.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unproductive? Well, it's time to take control of your day with.
Now I will tell you how to do that step by step and give some valuable tips to grow your channel quickly. First, go to Invideo.io and log into it. Then you will be directed to the Invideo dashboard. Now click AI text to video here. Then you can see many video templates. Choose one suitable for your video. I am going with this template. Now we can see the preview of our selected template. And on the right you can see there are 3 aspect ratios to choose: 16:9, 1:1 and 9:16. Leave it as 16:9. Then click use template. Here you can type your script manually, paste it or do some magic. Click here, ask AI to write your script. Now just type the video topic you want. You can generate awesome video ideas in ChatGPT. The only thing to do is tell your niche to ChatGPT and ask for video ideas like this. I will do some self-improvement videos, so I type the video title I generated with ChatGPT. Then hit the generate. See, Invideo AI make an awesome script for you in seconds. If you want to make some changes to the script, you can do it here. And if you aren't satisfied with the generated script, you can generate it via ChatGPT. This is a very secret tip to go viral. Go to YouTube and look for videos of your niche that have gone viral, like this. Go to that video, click these 3 dots here and select the show transcript option. Then hide the timestamps by clicking this here. Copy and paste all the transcripts into ChatGPT, asking for a rewrite. Now you have your unique, interesting video script. But mostly you don't have to go with ChatGPT because Invideo generates pretty awesome scripts. Here you can select whether you want to include only free stock footages in the generated video or whether you want to add premium videos as well. If you are in the paid plan, I recommend ticking those 3 boxes. I'm in the free plan now, so I will go with the free footage. Let's click the create scenes button. And now AI will automatically find relevant videos and photos for your video and generate fully animated awesome video from those, like this. Now time to make some improvements to the generated video. You may notice that the video is too slow and one scene takes too long to play. Don't let one scene last long. Change it every 5 seconds, otherwise the viewers will feel bored. To fix this, you can adjust the scene's duration here. I set it as 5 seconds. Then make some adjustments to the text. Click the text like this and you can change it here if you want. And you can format text using formatting toolbar here. I am formatting my text like this. Let's jump into second scene. Here you can see the text is too long. To break it into 2 parts, I put the cursor where I want to break it and click this icon here. Now it's better. Now, if you don't like some videos and photos in the video added by AI, you can change those like this. If you have some video or photo you would like to add to the video, you can go to the upload section here and upload it. But it's not necessary for Invideo. Invideo gives you tons of videos and image collection in here. Now I will change the scene's background with a video. Go to the video section and search for what you want. I like this one and drag it and drop it into the box. In this window, you can click this button to automatically trim the new video as the same as the duration of the before video. And then hit the add button. Here are some tools to edit newly added videos. And I'm jumping into a scene 3 to tell you some interesting tip. Don't put freezed images like this in the videos because the viewers will get bored with those. So select the image and go to the image format settings here, adjust the fit type and add some zooming effect to it like this. And if you want to change the music, you can upload your own or select one from the music tab. There's a huge beautiful music collection you can use. Here in the text tab, you can add different text types to your video. And here you can put your channel's logo to your video like this. But I won't do that because it's unnecessary for me. And here, clicking colors, you can change your entire project's theme colors. I'm going with this color palette. You can see this line's color and the text colors has changed. Now here you can add some elements to your video. I'm adding overlay by clicking this plus icon. Now we have finished improving our video. Remember, those editing things are unnecessary if you are satisfied with the video that creates the AI in the beginning. Let's jump into the editing tab here. And let's add voiceover to our video. Click the voiceover button here. Now you have 3 options. If you have permade voiceover, you can upload it to Invideo. If not, you can record voiceover in your voice here. Or the best part, you can generate voiceovers with AI. To do that, click the automated text-to-speech option here. And then there are many languages you can voiceovers with. I'm leaving it as English. And here there are male and female AI voices you can use. Let's play them and select one that fits our video.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Hope you are having a great time making your video. Hello, hope you are having a great time.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making
I'm selecting Maxwell and then click generate.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unproductive?
Wow, that's awesome! Then tick here to convert the text in the entire project as voice and hit the add button.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unproductive?
You may notice that the voice didn't hear properly because the volume of the background music is too high. To fix this, select background music in the timeline, click the volume and fade button here, and then switch on the dark volume feature. And set it as between -12 to -20.
Feeling overwhelmed and unproductive? Well, it's time to take control of your day with these time management tips.
Now you can see the voiceover can hear properly. And you may see the voiceover is played with little delay. To fix this, select the scene in the timeline, click the layers button here, and adjust the text layer like this.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unproductive? Well, it's time to take control of your day with these time management tips. Tip number 1. Prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important
Now
ones first.
all are done. We made an awesome video with AI. Now you can export this by clicking the export button here. To export, you should upgrade your plan. Here are the pricing plans of Invideo. And there's an awesome option I should mention. Invideo has 24/7 live support. By clicking here, you can fix your problems by chatting with them. And here you can get a new copy of your video projects with a different aspect ratio, like this. If you want to upload your video to Facebook, you can go with 1:1. And if you want to upload Instagram or TikTok, you can go with 9:16. In the template section, you can see a huge, fantastic template collection you can play with. Search what type of template you want and select one, then you can edit it within a few minutes like we edited our video before. With Invideo, you can generate a lot of videos easily. Upload those to YouTube consistently. You can build a huge channel within a few months. If you want to know more things like this consistently, I suggest subscribe to this channel because many interesting videos to be coming out on this channel in the coming few days. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.